So today we're going to be making some honey butter skillet corn, and I got all of this stuff mainly from Trader Joe's. So I started with some white corn, cilantro, cream cheese, and honey, and some white sugar. So I'm going to go in and melt some butter on the skillet. And I'm going to just start off by saying this really only took me like 15 minutes. It did not take long at all. And I put about 2 cups of corn, the frozen corn, in there, and I got white corn. You can get whatever type of corn you want, but I feel like white corn is a little bit more sweeter than yellow corn. But anyways, I let that cook for about 5 minutes because I just wanted it to get a little bit soft. And then I put a little bit of salt and pepper in there, and then I went ahead and put I honestly put 4 tablespoons of cream cheese, but it was a little bit overly thick, so I would only put about 2 to 3. And then I put the sugar and the honey in. And honestly, if you're not a sweet person, then you might just want to measure by eye how much sugar you want to put. But I have a sweet tooth, so for me, it turned out really good. It was super quick, super easy, and it was just like the creamiest corn I've ever had. And it was like a quick dinner size. So I really, really liked it. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you make it, let me know, and let me know what you think.